Welcome to the top best. The best Airpods Pro Replacement Earbuds is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Apple enthusiast, ensuring that your premium audio experience remains uninterrupted even if your original earbuds wear out or get lost, offering a cost-effective solution to keep your AirPods Pro performing at their peak without compromising on sound quality or comfort. Number 5. Apple AirPods Pro, 1st Gen, with MagSafe. Experience your audio like never before. Active noise cancellation silences distractions, letting you dive deep into your music or podcasts. Need to hear what's going on? Transparency mode lets you tune back into your surroundings without missing a beat. Discover a new dimension of listening with spatial audio. It creates a theater-like experience, with sound that moves around you. Enjoy music that's perfectly tuned just for you. Adaptive EQ automatically adjusts the sound to the unique shape of your ear. Find your perfect fit with 3 sizes of soft silicone tips. A snug seal ensures optimal sound quality and comfort for all-day wear. Manage your music, calls, and more with ease. The intuitive force sensor puts complete control right at your fingertips. What we like. Experience unparalleled immersion with advanced noise cancellation. Spatial audio places sound all around you for a theater-like experience. If you're looking for the most immersive audio and a personalized fit, these are the ones to consider. What people say. The sound quality is excellent, with clear highs and deep bass. They fit comfortably and securely in my ears, even during workouts. The noise cancellation is very effective, blocking out most ambient sound. Number 4. Beats Studio Buds True Wireless Noise Cancelling Earphones. Experience a custom acoustic platform that delivers sound that is both powerful and perfectly balanced. You'll hear every note with incredible clarity. Take control of your audio experience with 2 distinct listening modes. Choose between active noise cancelling to immerse yourself or transparency mode to stay aware of your surroundings. Find your perfect fit with 3 soft ear tip sizes. This ensures a stable and comfortable feel while creating an optimal acoustic seal for the best sound. Enjoy up to 8 hours of listening time on a single charge. Plus, with the pocket-sized charging case, you get up to 24 hours of combined playback. Benefit from industry-leading Class 1 Bluetooth for an extended range and fewer interruptions. Enjoy a stable connection wherever you go. Make high-quality calls and interact with your voice assistant effortlessly. The built-in microphones ensure your voice is heard loud and clear. Don't let a little sweat or water stop you. These earbuds are IPX4 rated, making them resistant to both sweat and water. What we like. Enjoy powerful, balanced sound with customizable listening modes. They offer a stable and comfortable fit, perfect for workouts. If you need versatile earbuds that can handle both intense activity and everyday listening with great sound quality, these are a solid choice. What people say. The seal is good and it fits well. They fit perfectly and stay in place during workouts. The sound quality is excellent, very clear and balanced. Number 3. Beats Flex Wireless Earbuds. Introducing the Beats Flex Wireless Earbuds, designed for your active lifestyle. Experience seamless connectivity and all-day comfort. Enjoy up to 12 hours of uninterrupted listening time on a single charge. Perfect for long commutes or extended workouts. With the FlexForm cable and 4 ear tip options, you get a customized fit for all-day comfort. They feel as good as they sound. Powered by the Apple W1 headphone chip, these earbuds offer seamless connectivity with your Apple devices. Pairing is effortless. Magnetic earbuds automatically pause your music when you take them out and resume when you put them back in. It's a smart feature for your convenience. Listen with a friend using audio sharing. Wirelessly share your audio with another pair of compatible headphones or earbuds. Experience extended wireless range with Class 1 Bluetooth technology. Enjoy fewer dropouts and a more stable connection. What we like. Get an impressive 12 hours of listening time on a single charge. The magnetic earbuds with autoplay pause make them incredibly convenient. If you prioritize long battery life and seamless usability for sharing audio with a friend, these are ideal. What people say. The sound is clear and resonant. They fit well in the ear. Their connectivity is great. They charge quickly and the charge lasts up to 15 hours. Their battery life is generous and charging time isn't very long. They are lightweight but stay in place, unlike some I have bought that constantly fall off with my neck. They automatically connect without any issues. I love that they offer different size for ear canals because I have 2 different size ear canals and I can get a more custom fit, and they are comfortable enough that I sleep with them in my ears. They are the perfect solution for sharing audio on Apple TV. We can each control the volume to our headphones independently, and we no longer disturb the neighbors. The sound quality is great. I can hear much more detail than when listening through the TV speakers. They come with multiple sized earbuds, so you can fit them perfectly to your ears. They charge them with a simple USB-C cable, and the charge lasts 12 hours. Number 2. Beats Fit Pro, 1st Gen, True Wireless Earbuds. Experience the ultimate in wireless audio with these true wireless earbuds. Designed for all-day wear, they offer a flexible, secure fit that stays put no matter what. Immerse yourself in a custom acoustic platform that delivers powerful, perfectly balanced sound. You'll hear every note with incredible clarity. Step into a world of dynamic sound with spatial audio and dynamic head tracking. It makes music, movies, and games feel more alive than ever. Control your sound environment with 3 distinct listening modes. Choose between active noise cancelling, transparency mode, or adaptive EQ to suit your needs. Powered by the Apple H1 chip, enjoy effortless automatic switching between devices and easy audio sharing. Plus, Hey Siri is always ready to assist. Don't let sweat or water stop you. These earbuds are IPX4 rated, making them sweat and water resistant for your toughest workouts. Keep the music going with up to 6 hours of listening time on a single charge. The pocket-sized charging case provides up to 24 hours of combined power. What we like. Achieve all-day comfort and stability with secure fit wingtips. Immerse yourself in sound with spatial audio and enjoy seamless connectivity thanks to the H1 chip. If you need earbuds that stay put during active use and offer advanced Apple integration, these are a great option. What people say. They have the H1 chip, which is awesome. The Beats Fit Pro feels so light to wear. I can wear them all day and there is no discomfort. The ANC is really bluffing. I am impressed by the noise cancellation system. I tested it walking next to a boulevard, I activated the function and the noise of the cars disappeared almost totally. Number 1. Link Dream Replacement Ear Tips for Airpods Pro. These replacement ear tips are designed for a perfect fit with your AirPods Pro and AirPods Pro 2nd generation. They ensure seamless induction and charging without any interference. Crafted from high-quality silicone, these ear tips effectively block out external noise. Enjoy your audio without compromising the original sound quality of your in-ear headphones. Experience superior comfort with their proper softness, allowing for extended wear without ear pain. They stay securely in place, even during your most intense workouts. Keep your spare earbuds safe and clean with the included portable storage box. It's designed to protect unused tips from loss or dirt. Replacing your old ear tips is simple. Remember to remove the entire white cup when detaching the old ones for a smooth transition. What we like. Ensure a perfect fit for your existing earbuds with these high-quality silicone replacements. They block outside noise effectively without compromising sound quality. If your original ear tips are lost or uncomfortable and you want to restore the best possible fit and sound, these are a must-have accessory. What people say. The replacement earbuds fit perfectly and restored the noise cancellation feature to its original effectiveness. Sound quality is excellent, with clear highs and deep bass, just like the original AirPods Pro. The charging case is compatible and charges the replacement earbuds without any issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.